Meteorologist Matthew East here. This is the April 20th edition of the Carolina Weather Video here on this Tuesday. Some weather changes taking place. Hey, some rain in the forecast. It's been a very dry April, and I know a lot of folks would like to see some rain, and we do have that in the forecast. Now, the problem is that the rain still doesn't look like it's going to be overly heavy, but at this juncture, we'll take what we can get. And there's another system in the offing for the weekend. That one could wind up producing some heavier totals of rain. Let's talk about it here. This is the radar this morning. There's a lot of ground clutter to kind of fight through to see where the actual rain is, but this is all real right in this area. That's all actual shower activity that's slowly moving eastward. And the temperatures this morning were 40s to low 50s around our neck of the woods. And really, still, there's no overly significant pushes of warm or cold air across most of the lower 48. So no tremendous temperature swings coming anytime soon. Now let's talk about this approaching storm system. Really what it is, it's going to wind up being an elongated, sort of elongated area of low pressure or a big trough, either way you want to look at it. As we go through today, we'll see the cloud cover continuing to increase. The cloud's pretty thin this morning, but they'll be thickening up with time. And for places like Charlotte and Greensboro, I can't rule out the possibility of some rain rolling in by mid or late afternoon. The most widespread coverage of rain, though, will occur as we go through this evening. That's the rain between 8 p.m. and 2 a.m., and then that's the rain between 2 a.m. and 8 a.m. Tomorrow. So probably tonight into tomorrow morning, that's when the rain will be at its most widespread in the I-85 corridor, and then that rain advances eastward through the eastern part of the region as we go through the day tomorrow for Wednesday. Now let's talk about rain amounts. This is what the HPC, the Hydrometeorological Prediction Center, is putting out for rain when you combine today and tomorrow. And that deeper shade of green, which does include places like Raleigh and Asheville and much of the Carolina coast, that's at least a quarter inch of rain. The blue shading there, that does include Raleigh and Wilmington, that's over 1/2 inch. I think, generally speaking, I'm still going to go with a quarter inch or so of rain in most spots. And if you get more than that, consider yourself lucky, as I fear some people will wind up with less than that. But we'll see. Whatever we can get can kind of help us out and wet things down just a bit. All right, let's go out to Thursday. Looks like a mainly dry day. And there's really still a tremendous amount of model uncertainty with the end of this week into the weekend. This is the GFS, of course. Friday, the GFS has us dry. Some of the other modeling does indicate a chance of a few showers or thunderstorms Friday, but definitely this weekend we'll get the chance for showers and storms rolling in. This is Saturday, and what the GFS here is indicating on Saturday is there's a warm front lifting northward, and could certainly be a few showers or thunderstorms Saturday, and then Sunday the main core of the storm system will move through. And so really what I've kind of done here is I've kind of broad brushed the forecast for Saturday and Sunday with the chance of some showers and storms, and we'll continue to kind of hone in on that timing as we go through the next couple of days. Now the thunderstorm potential is there. This day 4 is Friday, day 5 is Saturday, and I do think we'll wind up with some thunderstorm potential around here. Severe weather, don't know yet, but can't rule it out, especially if the European solution is correct. Looks European has more of a consolidated, pretty impressive system as opposed to the more strung-out version on some of the other models, rather. And still looks like we are transitioning back into a pattern that will feature at least occasional storm systems here. This is a look at Friday the 30th, GFS showing a system, another system moving in around the 5th of May. So maybe, certainly, it's been a dry month of April, but I do think we're kind of trending toward an overall wetter pattern as we go through the end of this month and into May. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day today on this Tuesday, and God bless.